Hello everyone. Welcome back on my another tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to replace or change color any object in Photoshop. Like this. Or something same like this. So let's start. First open Photoshop and I already import. I like to change this car color. So first click here and click on hue and saturation. Now click on this hand icon and select color you want to replace. Now set a color. Perfect. Don't close video. In this video, I also tell you how to fix background color if they change due to changing object color. So now this color was perfect. Save this pic. Now we change this picture color with this same method. But I am gonna to tell you important thing in this pic.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the
We changed these three color, but white color did not change with this method. In next video I am gonna to tell you how to change black or white color. I think this was perfect. So. Important part of video coming. We change color in same method. But you see background color also change. So how to fix this? Change object color you want. This color is white, so we choose black.
Eyes in the sky,
Now select brush tool and black color.
into the night. I raise my hand
Now click there to remove background unwanted color replacement.
Stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through? For you, for you, for you, for you, for
Now it's okay, save it. I hope you like this video. If you had any question, ask on the comment box.